anybody seen my iPad? I want to play Minecraft.
I haven't seen it. Sorry, can't help you, Billy. I didn't see it either.
It's gotta be around here somewhere. Hey, Billy, I'm sorry. I needed to use your iPad for work, and I accidentally deleted your Minecraft world.
Oh no, this isn't good. Remember what happened last time his Minecraft world got deleted? Yeah, of course I remember what happened. I still got the scar. Everybody get down, he's about to blow!
I can't believe you deleted my Minecraft world! It took me so long to make that!
Ouch, good throw, sweetie. I'm sorry, it was an accident. Oh man, this is getting bad.
Oh! It took me 6 months to build that Minecraft world!
Where's he getting all these toys from?
Oh! I worked so hard on that Minecraft world!
Oh, never mind. I didn't delete it. I just closed out of it. You still got your Minecraft world.
Wait, what? You didn't delete it? Let me see. You're right, you didn't delete it! Sorry, everybody. I'm gonna go play Minecraft now.
He's not even gonna get in trouble for that?